You know, contrary to the spiraling shape of this one, it's pretty hard to spin out in this walkthrough. Let's go.
Alright guys, so the first step is going to be to divide the project into quarters. 1, 2. Throughout the video I use a folder, but everything I do can be done without. I just find it a bit easier. Then flip it over and divide it in half down the diagonals. Again, there's 1, 2. We're then going to collapse into a triangle along these folds here, just like so. Now fold this edge into the middle crease, creating a half diamond. Now if you feel like you're getting value out of this video, remember to smash the like button. And if you want to see the channel grow, hit the subscribe. See me unfold and open this up. Fold the point down into the bottom center to form a square like I'm doing here. Now take the point and fold it along the crease and into the corner. And repeat for the other side. Now take the point at the bottom and fold the diamond up in half, here to here. Then flip the project over and repeat for the other side. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 moves. Now we're going to take the edges and inverse the project. Just watch and follow along. Now take this point and fold it into the middle crease. Just pop it in there. Remember to swipe up, let me know if you made it. And repeat for the other side. Now just like before, take the point at the bottom and fold the small diamond up in half. Flip the project over and repeat 1, 2, 3. Now for the fun part, watch and follow along. Open up the bottom like I'm showing here. Continue to fold it out until it pops like I have here. Now while cupping the project with one hand, turn the project over and find the point where all 4 edges meet. I find this next step easiest, if you put one finger in each corner of the edges and twist. This should allow for relatively even spacing between the edges once you're finished. It's easy enough to adjust the spacing afterwards if you want. And finally, take each of these 4 points and bend them down like this. And there you go ladies and gentlemen, a fantastic little rose. Super easy to make and perfect for putting with gifts. And on that note, let's flower our way into a montage.